Your business might offer one or multiple services, and each project revision in Gemma must have a service. To add or edit the details of a service, go to the Settings area and click on the Services button. You can quickly add a new service to your business by providing a name and a short description. You can then click on the Edit button for each service to add more details. A user with the Director or Project Manager roles can be assigned as the default project manager of a service. This allocation has the following impacts. First, anytime a new project is created for this service, it is automatically assigned to this user. Second, when a quote is requested via your public quote link, the emails and notifications are all being directed to this default project manager. Selecting a default tax scheme makes it always allocated to the main fees of this service. You can provide a detailed long description for each service, which will be reflected on the quotes and approval contracts. This is a good place to provide your terms for this specific service on top of your overall business terms and services. The content of this long description should not be more than 1 page. If you retire a service, it will no longer be available in the list of your business's available services. You can reactivate a retired service at any time. As you know, when a project revision is in progressing state, you can define and allocate tasks to different users of your business. If a service requires the same initial tasks to be always created and assigned, you can add those tasks as standard service tasks, and they will be created as soon as you change the status of a project revision to progressing, ready to be assigned to your team members.